This is how I made my PowerPoint on financial independence and security. This slide here is just explaining what it is. This next slide is why it's important. And this slide is how to achieve it. And I speak about passive income. So this next slide breaks down examples of it. And here I just attached a TED Talk video to the PowerPoint presentation. And my last slide is just reference that I use for the PowerPoint. To create my background, I used the design tab. I used actually design ideas that was on the right, and it kind of gives features that would fit with financial theme. And I also added in some transitions for my PowerPoint. So it's in slideshow mode, you would see my transitions pop up. And this is the transition that I used, and that's how it displays. And that's about it for this PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.